Good morning, everybody. This is Harold from Nature's Friends. Election day, we're going to make some applesauce in the crock pot. I've been making this and it's good. There was 17 apples here. Looks like more than that, but I think it's 17. Anyway, we're going to try our new peeler out with Marcia got from Amazon. And we're going to peel them and then we'll show you what we do and how we make them in the crock pot. So, you take this little fancy peeler. And that's the malfunctioned. Leaving a little peeling on it. But to tell you the truth, I don't mind leaving that peeling on it because it just cooks up too. We washed our apples.
Show them how it cores it and everything.
Yes, it does. You see here the core comes out. It slides right off.
Will do.
I don't know why all that peeling is getting hung in there, but it is.
No, that one was perfect.
Yep. Okay, so we're going to continue doing our apples, and then we'll show you cutting them up, putting them in the crock pot, and then cooking them and seasoning them. All right, back in a little bit. Okay, we've got them all peeled. You can see we've got a few peelings on it, but I don't think that's going to hurt it at all. Now we're going to take and slice them in half and put them in the crock pot. And this stuff is delicious to eat. Great snack before bedtime, which probably ain't good, but I don't put as much sugar in them. And these were peeled by hand to speed it up some.
Okay, how about we come back after we get all this cut up in the crock pot?
That'd be great.
So we don't bore everybody to death. Okay, we'll be right back.
Okay, we got the apples in the crock pot. You see it's a full crock pot. It's about 18 apples, and we got half cup, 3/4 of a cup of water, whatever. Put it in there. That'll give us some moisture. We'll come back in 6 hours and look at it and see what we got and how it's doing and stir them up.
You have it on high?
I have it on high.
High. And this is a very large crock pot. I'm not sure how many quarts.
It looks like a nice size.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll be back when they're cooking. Thank you. Okay, guys, this has been boiling now for about 4 hours on high, and then I turned it down to low about halfway through and then turned it back up. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add our sugar. We're going to add a cup of sugar. Marcia likes it sweet. And what size is that spoon?
Oh.
1/3 of a cup? No. 1/3 of a teaspoon or something. But anyway, cinnamon. 2 heaping things of cinnamon.
So did you do the smallest?
Yeah, the smallest.
That's a 1/4 teaspoon, so I don't know why you would do that, but cinnamon to taste.
Cinnamon to taste, exactly right. And while I'm stirring this up to get it mixed up good, our grandson Keaton has a YouTube channel called Dragon Kid Studios.
S on the end.
Dragon Kid Studios. He's tickled. He's doing good with it. He just wanted me to plug the line in for him.
He's been doing it since he was about 4 years old.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we got this stirred up and we're going to bring it to a good boil. Then we're going to put it in our jars. We'll be right back to show you that.
Did you already tell them that it cooked all day?
Yeah, I told them it had long cooked. I cooked it for 4 hours.
Gotcha.
And I turned it halfway through
Gotcha.
on low.
I wasn't sure.
Yeah.
Thank you,
All
because
right,
this
thank
is new to me. I've never
I
made
know.
it. You're
I
the
made
apple.
I made it all.
You're
the
the
time.
applesauce maker.
So we'll show you what it looks like in the jar when we come back. Okay, everybody. Now we're going to put it in the jar. Marcia did her taste on it, and she said it was sweet enough, and she thanked me for putting that much sugar in it. But now, if you don't want a lot of sugar, you don't have. I ate it last night with none. So, but it's all in what you like, what your flavor it is, and you normally put this stuff to a hot water bath, but no more than we're making. I'm just going to put the lids on it and put it in the refrigerator. So we got a step foster child, or I don't know what he was, but Michael. He was one of my students. He's here now, and he loves applesauce. And he's a Marine, so you know he's.
So in other words, it's no point in preserving it to go on the shelf. It'll be gone in a few days.
Mm-hmm.
But if you wanted to do that, boil and water bath for how long, Harold?
I think it's 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I didn't look it up because we're going to do a canning of them later. We have a guy that's going to actually bring us some apples, and we'll can some. Then we'll show you doing a large amount. So so this made 4 pints, which is terrific. Always wipe the top off.
Yeah. Always, yeah. That's great. They sure do cook down, though. You had 17 nice size apples.
Mm-hmm. They cook way down.
So you have to keep that in mind.
But I want to tell you what, I love this stuff. Refreshing. I don't think it's that fattening.
No, and the main thing is if you cut back on, if you get sweet apples, you don't even need much sugar.
Yeah, I can't remember what apple was we got that time. I got a feeling these are probably sealed on their own anyway. But if you put them on the shelf, you want to make sure they're going to seal, so you process them. And I'm pretty sure it's 10 minutes in a hot water bath.
Okay.
So that's 4 pints and a little bit left, not much. And enjoy your applesauce. And was I supposed to say anything else?
No, you already.
No, I seem like Joe Biden. What am I supposed to say?
Stop. Be nice.
But anyway, yes. So enjoy your applesauce. It's that time of the year now with apples are in. So anyway, enjoy. Until next time, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.